Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this A-pillar off of a G37 Coupe. First things first, we need a flathead, pry bar, a razor knife, and either a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips head drill. So we're going to go over here. There is one clip right here. Be careful when you're pulling on this rubber because it is glued under here. And if you pull too hard, it'll rip the seal. Then you got more problems on your hands. So I like to add like a little bit of pressure going up. And then up this way. And that's without ripping everything. So then we're going to work our way down. And the reason I said to grab a razor knife is normally it does not come off this nicely. You have to normally cut the double-sided tape. And I'm not pulling it all on this, just so you know. I'm just literally holding it like that. Okay, so then when you get to right here, yeah, when you get to this point, I don't know why, but it always likes to rip. So be very careful in this spot down here at the end. And then you're gonna, so you're gonna pop that off like that, and then you're gonna have one. We're gonna have one last clip down here. So go under the Weatherstrip and pry off that way, just like that. So we got the Weatherstrip off. Now it's going to expose all the Phillips heads on the A-pillar. And this has been taken off too before. Because like it's missing that one. And there's another one missing right there. So let's hope this isn't already broken. Okay, so we're going to go here. We're going to undo all these Phillips heads. Okay, so then this piece will drop down. And then the most stressful part of it all. Sometimes if it's ever being weird, I'll pull this trim off. I don't know what the heck this is. They put some carbon fiber trim on it, so your car hopefully won't have that. And it's not even real carbon, it's sticker carbon. That's why it's dumb. So this trim piece right here, if it's on your car normal, it'll pop up like that. And it should just pop right out of those little clips. And don't apply too much pressure on this because these will bend easy. Alright, so now that we got some area to work with up in here, what I'll do is I'll hold on to it like this. And I'll try and walk it the top side out. That seems to work the best for me. Like that. And there you go. Somebody else had already taken this off because clearly I didn't break that. You could hear it in the sounds. That's how you do get it off. We're going to repair this then. And it'll be like new.